How to delete Instagram search suggestions when typing. So, the first step is to open your Instagram app, click on search right here, and then click on search on the uppermost part. Once you're here, simply click on see all on the upper right corner, and then click on clear all on the upper right corner as well. And then you just simply confirm your submission or your request, and then you have now cleared your search suggestions. Also, you may do this one. You just simply go to your profile found on the lower right corner, go to the three lines found on the upper right corner, and then click on your activity right here. Once you have clicked your activity, you may click on recent searches, and then again, you may click on clear all found on the upper right corner, and then confirm your submission or your request. So that's it. That's how you can delete Instagram search suggestions when typing.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.